Hey everyone, I'm Heba and welcome back. Got an unboxing for you guys and it's the Detox Box by the Detox Market and it's for the month of December. And I have to say, it's a small box and it's quite light this month. And you know, I was thinking about canceling the subscription, but I think I'm going to go ahead and renew it for the next 6 months because I kind of liked what I got last month. And I do like the premise of this subscription box. It concentrates on one brand a month. And this company has clean and green natural beauty products. And you get products in here that are worth $90 or more. And it could be 2 products, it could be 3, it could be 6 products in there. So yeah, I do like the premise of this subscription box. So I will be continuing it for another 6 months. So you'll still be seeing unboxings of the Detox Box. And if you don't want to watch it, you know, just go ahead and just scroll past my video. That's fine, that's fine. But there are some people that do like to watch unboxings. I myself is one of them, and I enjoy doing them. So all right, let's go ahead and see what's in this box for December. And that is what it looks like when you open it up. Okay, I can see the brand right now, and this is what it looks like when you open up the tissue. It does come with 2 cards that let you know about the brand and the products, and I have heard of this brand before. It's the brand Odacite, and you spell it like that. And it looks like we have 2 products this month. Let's see here. One of the cards is Meet the Maker of Odacite, and her name is Valerie Grandury. Odacite scours the world to source exceptional ingredients, precious plant extracts, and potent cosmeceuticals, right? Yeah, cosmeceuticals for skincare formulas with uncompromised purity and results you can feel. She started in 2009 and in Topanga, California. She's French and she lives in LA, and she overhauled her lifestyle after being diagnosed with breast cancer over a decade ago. Not ready to give up high-performance skincare but lacking quality options, she created Odacite. Good for you! And on the back it has a little Q&A about her, and her hometown is Paris, France. What energizes you, nature and art, and best way to relax, hiking with her dogs. So yeah, I like this, getting to know her. And it says here her favorite word is audacity, how you spell it, A-U-D-A-C-I-T-I, which is what inspired the name Odacite of how she says it, or how she spells it for her brand. And the other card tells us what's in this box. So let's go ahead and pull it out, the first product. Let's get this big one here first. And it's Bioactive Rose Gommage, Pineapple and Hyaluronic Acid Baby Soft Peel. Got a nice big box of it here. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, and it comes with a little brush too. Nice. Oh, it is light though, and here's what the little jar looks like. Well, let's read what it says. Unveil petal soft skin in minutes. This gommage contains polishing pineapple and papaya enzymes, purifying konjac root, and antioxidant-rich rose water to erase dull, flaky skin and revitalize your complexion. Perfect for all skin types, this beautifying blend can be used 2 ways. Apply a thin layer with the included brush, and to gommage, I know I want to say fromage, which means cheese in French, but to gommage, just before the mask dries fully, roll it off gently using your fingertips. To mask, let the ingredients work their magic for 10 minutes and rinse off. You get 1.69 ounce of product in here, and it's $62. Wow. Well, let's see what it has in here. Oh, you pull up the lid, and it's one of these where you push down and the product comes out from this little hole. I hope you can see that. Don't smell anything. And you know what I'm going to do, what I'm thinking about doing with this video? I think I'm going to try this mask on and just kind of edit it in here to show you what this mask looks like and what it does to my skin. How about that? First, let me show you what the other product is in this box, but after that, I'm going to edit it and try this mask on. And that's nice. It comes with a brush too, with bristles. All right, let's see what the other product is. It is CAR, Wild Carrot Facial Serum Concentrate. It says it's a French secret. This pure wild carrot seed oil is extracted using centuries-old technique. The rare vitamin A-packed oil renews dull skin for a radiant, youthful-looking glow. You get 0.17 ounce of product in here, and this one costs $58. Wow. Yeah, you don't get a lot of product in this, and for $58, ooh, It better renew my dull skin for a radiant, youthful looking glow. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do this in the next couple of days in the morning before I do anything else. I'm gonna go ahead and try this mask on and then put the oil afterwards. But before we go into that, let me see how much these two products cost together. How much were they? Oh, I need my glasses again. So with these two products, it cost $126. Wow. Okay. Well, all right. I'm going to go ahead and jump into the try on of the mask now. All right. I know I look pretty scary right now, but let's go ahead and try this Gommage. And the word Gommage means erase in French. I was looking at the box, and it also says it's a professional type exfoliation method used to thoroughly erase dead skin and buildup of impurities without irritating the skin. It also says it's fabulous for all skin types. This divinely rose-scented bioactive gel unveils a delightful feeling of newfound baby soft skin. Okay. And as I said in the previous part of this video in the unboxing, that you can use this one of two ways, as a gommage or as a mask. And to gommage, you apply a thin layer using the brush, let dry slightly, and just before fully dry, gently rub off the gel. This product will roll off under fingers. Rinse residue with warm water. And if you want a mask, you let dry completely and then rinse off with warm water. Okay, let's go ahead and gommage. And this comes in one of these mechanisms where you pump it and out comes through this hole, which is sanitary. And it's kind of fun to do, too. Let's see, okay, ooh. All right, did y'all see that? That's what it looks like right there. Oh, it does smell like rose too. Yes, and I think I'm gonna need more than this, but let's go ahead and apply this part. Kind of cool feeling. Yeah, I'm gonna need a lot more than that one pump. Yeah, I do smell that rose scent. Okay, let's pump a little bit more. Yeah, let's get 2 pumps out. All right, there we go. It did take 3 pumps to do my whole face, and it's kind of very relaxing using this brush, I should say. All right, it is a clear gel on my face, can't see any color, and it does have a little cooling sensation. Not too bad, but I do feel a little coolness with it. And let's see what time it is right now, 8:38. So let's see how long this takes to slightly dry so we can gommage. Now it's 8:46. So 8 minutes, and it's slightly dry. I still see some wet spots, and I do feel it tightening up my skin. But let's go ahead and try doing some of the gommage. Let's try the forehead first and see if any of that will rub off. Okay, I'm feeling some of it coming off. Yeah, there it is. It looks like dead skin is coming off, but it's not the dead skin, it's the gommage. Okay, here's the wet spot right here. Probably should have let it dry a little bit more, but at least the forehead is dry, so let's go ahead and work on that. Yeah, let me come up closer so you can see some of the stuff coming off. Okay, let's go for the chin area. Okay, let me come up closer so you can see this part. Yeah, it is coming off. I don't know if this is, yeah, here's a wet spot right here. I guess the cheeks are the wet spots still, so I'll wait for that. But let's concentrate on the chin now. This kind of reminds me of the video I did of trying 5 masks. I did one by Rodial, the hangover mask, and that was also, you put it on your face, let it dry, and then you rub it off. That one was a little bit messier than this one. Okay, still right here is still wet, but let's just work around it, huh? Okay, it's coming off now. Okay, let me come up close so you can see. You can see the mask rolling off. And excuse the lighting, I don't have my ring light here. I have it up because the Christmas tree is here. It didn't have that much space. But yeah, I can feel it rubbing off my skin. Now let me go ahead and wash it off, and then we'll try the serum. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back, and you know, as I was rinsing it off, my skin felt very smooth. The water was just going over my face, and looking here in the mirror, wow, it looks really clean. My pores have shrunk. It looks very smooth. I like it, and it feels very smooth too. I like gommaging. All right, now let's try the CAR, the Wild Carrot Serum Concentrate. All right, comes in a little dropper form here. So let's just add 2 or 3 drops. I should say that this does go on my face very nicely after doing the fromage. Not fromage, gommage. I don't know, have I been saying fromage or am I sticking it with gommage? I know. It's too early in the morning for this. It smells like a spa, that's what it smells like. I like it. All right, yeah, this is really nice. First impression, it's really nice. I mean, you have to see with the skincare more than just one time of trying it, but I do like the mask or the gommage. Trying not to say fromage. Well, all right, let me go ahead and finish putting the rest of my skincare on and go about my day. And let me know if you like this type of format with the unboxing, and if there's something in there I can try, I'll do it a couple days later and edit it to where it's in one video instead of just an unboxing. But sometimes with these unboxings, there aren't anything like a mask to try, but we'll see. We'll play it by ear whenever the unboxing or whenever it calls for it. But anywho, yeah, this was fun. Well, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching this unboxing try-on type video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful, wonderful day and a happy new year. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.